Are you a blockchain enthusiast? Want to gain in-depth knowledge about it? This video will help you understand what this technology is all about and how it works. Blockchain is a peer-to-peer decentralized distributed ledger technology that records any digital asset transparent and unchangeable and works without involving any third-party intermediary. It is a revolutionary and emerging technology that attracts a lot of public attention due to its capability to reduce risks and fraud in a scalable manner. But before we continue, welcome to the Crypto Hub, the largest YouTube channel where you can find everything about the crypto world. If you're new here, hit subscribe and click the notification bell to be notified of new videos. We'll be presenting interesting content about blockchain. Why is blockchain a distributed, decentralized P2P network? A decentralized network offers different benefits over the conventional centralized network, including expanded system reliability and protection. Also, such systems are much easier to scale and deal with no single point of failure. The reason why blockchain has been distributed is because of shared communication and dispersed processing. The P2P design of blockchains gives a few benefits, such as greater security compared to conventional client-server-based systems. A distributed P2P network, matched with a majority consensus prerequisite, provides blockchains a moderately high degree of resistance to malicious activities. So let's dig up the general working mechanism of blockchain. Blockchain can be characterized as a shared record, allowing thousands of connected computers or servers to preserve a single, secured, and immutable ledger. Blockchain can perform client transactions without including any third-party mediators. It would be best if you had a wallet to complete transactions. A blockchain wallet is nothing but a program that allows one to spend cryptocurrencies like BTC, ETH, etc. Such wallets are secured by cryptographic strategies to manage and have complete control over their transactions. Now, this is how blockchain works. Initially, when a client makes an exchange over a blockchain network, a block will be created, representing that exchange is made. Once a block is completed, the requested exchange is broadcasted over the peer-to-peer network, comprised of computers known as nodes, which then approve the trade. A verified transaction can involve cryptocurrency, records contracts, or any other valuable information. Once a transaction is verified, it is combined with other blocks to create a new data block for the ledger. It is essential to keep in mind that a secured block is created with each new transaction, secured and bound to each other using cryptographic principles. Whenever a new block is made, it is added to the existing blockchain network, confirming that it is secured and immutable. How does blockchain consensus work? You already know by now that consensus is a method of reaching an agreement. It is how individuals on the network can get a resolution even though minorities may not like it. The consensus is a blockchain's core priority because thousands of nodes can never agree without it. These models exist to make decency and equality among all the participants. However, there's no one way to reach a consensus inside a system. There are many algorithms that different blockchain platforms use. Every single one of them works unexpectedly and comes with its own set of flaws. If you wonder how blockchain consensus works, you must know about each of them separately to understand. Let's discuss the consensus one by one. Number 1. Proof of work. It's one of the famous and first consensus algorithms presented in the blockchain. Here, nodes are called miners, and they will illuminate complex mathematical issues with help from their device's computational control to verify the blocks. Number 2. Delayed proof of work. Here, some notary nodes will add up information from one blockchain platform to another and secure hashing power. Both blockchain networks may use POW or POS to reach a consensus. Number 3. Proof of stake. Proof of stake permits you to take part in the consensus regarding how many coins you staked in the network. If you have many coins, your possibility of mining a block will increase. Number 4. Delegated proof of stake. In this one, there is a concept of delegates and witnesses. Each node has been chosen using voting. Witnesses on the platform can validate the exchanges. On the other hand, delegates can change the parameters of the system. At any rate, all the nodes taking part in the agreement will get paid. Number 5. Least proof of stake. In the least proof of stake, the small holders can also take part in consensus. As the previous POS would not let them stake their coins in the network, it creates an unfair environment. That's why LPOS offers more fair ground. Number 6, proof of stake velocity. Proof of stake velocity offers an extra incentive to keep the users from staking into the network. Here, you can gain more if you maintain an active wallet. It means the users who are not active so often won't get the extra payment to validate a block. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed the video so far. Don't forget to subscribe to the Crypto Hub. And if we have missed anything important so far, tell us in the comments below. Your thoughts are important to us. Keep watching. We are moving towards our 7th consensus. Number 7, proof of elapsed time. All the nodes must wait for a certain period before they can participate in consensus. You can choose the time limit randomly. Thus, you can only create a block when you finish the wait time. There is no way to bypass it, as the system tracks if the node waited or not. Number 8, proof of activity. It is a combination of POS and POW. Here, the miners pre-mine a block layout instead of a complete one. Later, a validator approves the remaining block. The more stake a validator has in the network, the more valid his or her validation would be. Number 9, proof of authority. Here, the nodes taking part in consensus will stake their reputation. The approving nodes are chosen based on their true identities. Moreover, the validators have to invest cash and their importance to earn their place on the platform. Number 10, proof of reputation. It's pretty similar to proof of authority, however, a validator needs to have an excellent reputation to participate in the consensus. More so, if they try to cheat or hack the network, they will face severe consequences. Number 11, proof of history. Here, the system creates significant events on the network. A node can then validate the transaction based on whether the transaction happened before or after that event. Number 12, proof of importance. Here, the blockchain works to keep a score of importance. The more coins a user has, the higher the score will be. Once they are eligible for participating, they can collect a block. Additionally, if you gather more, your importance score will increase. Number 13, proof of capacity. Users would utilize their available difficult drive capacity to choose mining rights rather than using computational power. So, the bigger your hard drive would be, the more you'll be able to validate blocks. Number 14, proof of burn. Here, the blockchain works by burning coins to keep the network steady. The users would send a few of their coins to an eater address and burn them to take part in consensus. Number 15, proof of weight. Instead of only depending on how many coins you staked, the system considers other components to weigh in. So if you have fewer coins, you may still get to take part in consensus. Now you know how blockchain consensus works. Let's move on to the next phase. Question. Can blockchain work without cryptocurrency? One of the most important questions that you should know, folks. Blockchain is associated with cryptocurrencies from the very start. That is why many of you might think that blockchain cannot work without cryptocurrency, but blockchain can work without cryptocurrency. There are already many platforms that do not have any native tokens or coins. Many blockchain projects are now moving towards the token or crypto-less ecosystem. For example, Hyperledger is an enterprise blockchain platform that does not have native tokens to fuel the network. Continuously, blockchain innovation is changing the way we trade, opening modern opportunities for people and businesses. Besides its applications in financial services, it will get to be the basis for various businesses across industries. We are sure that nearly any business idea built on technology can benefit from a blockchain in the right hands. If you are interested in getting more curated content on the blockchain and other emerging technologies, subscribe to our channel, The Crypto Hub, now. And don't forget to leave a thumbs up. If you have any questions regarding blockchain and cryptocurrency, please ask. The comment section is for you. Thanks for your time. Bye until next time.